In this training video, I want to show you step by step how to promote high ticket Clickbank products. High ticket product is a product that can pay you anywhere from $250 plus in commissions per sale. Now, a lot of people can argue on this and say, no, $250 is less money. It starts off with $500. Whatever it is, a high ticket product is a product that's going to pay you a big sale and a big commission per sale. So it's not like $20, $30 or $50 or even $100. Okay, it's going to be something like $300, $400, $500 and beyond. So I'm going to show you step by step how to find high ticket products on Clickbank and how you can promote a high ticket product. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you one of the high ticket products which is proven to convert. So I'm going to show you step by step how to apply for that high ticket product that can pay you up to $2,500 in commissions per sale. That means one sale and you get to see a $2,500 commission potentially into your Clickbank account. And I'm going to show you how to apply and how to get approved. I'm also going to show you why it is the best option to target when it comes to high ticket products and how to find the best high ticket products. So let's dive into this video. As you know, I'm on Clickbank. Clickbank is a digital marketplace that has thousands of products. They have low ticket products, they have high ticket products. A lot of people don't know about the high ticket products, so I'm going to show you how to find the high ticket products, and I'm going to show you why it's the best option to go for. So if you come to Clickbank, first of all, you want to go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. Okay, and then you're going to see all these categories down here. Now, when you click on these categories, it's just going to spill out all the low ticket products because that's the default of Clickbank interface. What we want is we want the high ticket product, the product that's going to pay us big commissions. Okay, so you have this, you can do this two ways. First of all, you can come here and just click on this search bar without typing anything in this search query. So just click on here and Clickbank is going to come up with all the top offers down here. Okay, that's going to pay you commission based on ranking. Now these are all low ticket products, these are not high ticket products. So how are we going to spill out the high ticket product is we're going to go down, okay, and then we're going to click on here and we're going to click on average conversions high to low. So just click on this and then Clickbank is going to come up with all the high ticket products. So you can see here the first product of high ticket that they are recommending Clickbank based on without typing any kind of keyword is this product down here. Now I don't know anything about this product. Okay, you can see here it says that approval required, which means that if you say that you want to get your affiliate link, so you click on this affiliate link, okay, you put in your nickname here and click on continue. Before they generate an affiliate link for you, you have to request approval and you have to be manually approved by this owner. Okay, so you can see here that if you scroll down, you can see here the commission is $892.24 in commissions. They're going to pay you per sale. Okay, I'm not talking about all the upsells. We're not talking about the upsells here. We are talking about one product. Selling one product is going to pay you this amount of commission. Okay, now let's just do a bit of math here. Imagine making this type of money, one sale a day. Okay, now I'm not going to say it's easy. It's very hard. Okay, it's very, very hard. You need to drive a lot of traffic. Okay, you need to drive quality traffic. You need to drive targeted traffic, and you have to have the right mindset as well, which is a never giving up attitude. But if you never give up and you continue to work your way, it is possible making one sale per day. In fact, there are some marketers who make 2 sales, 3 sales, 4 sales per day. Now imagine having one sale per day. That's $892 in commission. So let's do some math. Okay, so 30 times, okay, 892, that's about $26,760 in commissions in 1 month. Okay, so if you focus on one product, high ticket product, and you continue, just say you want to promote this product here, okay, and you want to focus on this product and you want to promote this product every day, and your target is just generating one sale per day, you're going to be making potentially $26,760 per month. Now, imagine getting 2 sales, 3 sales, and 4 sales. You could do the math yourself, alright? Now, why do I believe that you should promote high-ticket products? Here's why, okay? Just say a product was paying you $20, okay? $20 a product was paying you. Now, if you want to make $1,000, let's just time that to 50, and that gets to $1,000, which means if you're promoting a $20 product to get to $1,000 days on Clickbank, you'll have to generate 50 sales, okay? 50 sales daily of a $20 product to generate $1,000 in commissions, okay? On the other hand, if you had a product like this one that's going to pay you $892, you just have to get 1 sale, okay? 1 sale, and that can make you close to $1,000. And in a moment, I'm going to give you a high ticket program, a high ticket product that can pay you up to $2,500 in commissions. Now imagine just getting 1 sale, okay? So I'm not telling you to go out there and promote this product. I'm just giving you an example here, okay? But you could see all these products. These are all now. You could see here that after this product, all the product goes to, like, this product is paying up to $420 in commissions. If I come down, then it just goes straight to $244, etc., etc. Okay, so you could see here that Clickbank is spitting it out, but Clickbank at the same time is not giving all the product, high ticket product when you do a search. And you could become more specific within a niche, so e-business, e-marketing, health, and fitness. Okay, now remember one thing. When it comes to promoting a high-ticket product, the method is the same as the low-ticket product. Okay, whatever method you're using, whether it's free traffic, whether it's paid traffic, whether you're using social media traffic or any other traffic source, the method is the same. The only difference is that because it's a high-ticket product, you will have to drive extra traffic. So if it was a $20 product, okay, a $20 product that you are going to promote, you might get a sale and a conversion within 100 clicks. But with a $1,000 product, you might have to drive extra visitors, okay? Probably about 200 clicks or 300 clicks to get your first sale. But it's still worth it. You know why? Because that product is going to pay you $1,000 in commissions, which is much easier compared to generating 50 sales daily for a $20 product, okay? So that's how you find high ticket products on Clickbank. Now let me give you a high ticket product where you can apply, get approved, start promoting it with a never giving up attitude, start driving quality traffic, start driving targeted traffic, and once you start doing this on a daily basis, your traffic is going to increase. So on day 1, just say you got about 20 visitors. If you continue to do it, next day you're going to have about 50 visitors, then you're going to have 70 visitors, then 100 visitors, and continuously you doing it, your traffic's going to compound and build up. And this is how you're going to start seeing some order form impression counts, and you're going to start seeing some sales and commissions coming in. So you have to have a never giving up attitude. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a high ticket program, a program that can pay you up to $2,500 in commissions. Okay, so here's the program. Okay, the website address is popping up on the screen here. You could pause this video right now and you could open up a new browser and go to this website address. Okay, and when you come to this website address, you're going to come here and you're going to see this program here. It's a program, a coaching profit system program from one of the #1 top earner in the e-business, e-marketing, Clickbank 9x Platinum member, who has generated millions of dollars in commissions in Clickbank, and he's someone who's going to help you. Okay, so what he's going to do, he has a product that can pay you up to $2,500 per sale. All right, so when you come to this page, the first thing you want to do is you want to click on this orange button down here. Can you see this orange button? You want to click on this orange button, and you want to click here, and then you want to read all this. Okay, thank you for your interest in being in the field of online success coaching. What is this product? It's a product that teaches you how to create small products, mid products, and high ticket products using AI. Okay, so it teaches you how to create products using AI. So you want to come here and you want to fill in all your details. So I'm going to fill in my details, just showing you how it's all done. Okay, so you're going to come here, you're going to put your real email address here, because that's where you're going to get all the information. Okay, so you want to come here, and I'm just going to put another name down here. Okay, so let's just do this so you know exactly how it's all done. Okay, so I'm going to come here. Okay, and then you just want to put your Clickbank username, your Clickbank ID. Okay, it could be anything. Okay, it could be anything. So down here I'm just gonna put my a Clickbank ID that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna put, okay, there you go. And then I'm just gonna come here, okay, and click on want to promote, and there you go. Please check your inbox for important affiliate information. If you don't see my email, check your spam trash folder. That's it. Okay, within the next 24 hours you're going to be approved to promote this product. Okay, you're going to get all the information on how to promote the product, how to drive traffic, how to do everything, etc. And all that information is going to be sent to your email address. Okay, so make sure you put in a real email address, which is very, very important. That real email address is very, very important. Okay, because that's where all the information is going to be sent. Within 24 hours you should be whitelisted, you should be approved to promote the product. Okay, and you're going to get all the information on what you need to do, how to promote, etc., etc. So make sure you check your email address, and also check, if you don't find the email address, and check in the update folder, check in the promotional tab, check if you can't find it there as well, then make sure you check it into the spam and junk folder and report it as not spam, so all those emails go straight to the inbox. Okay, so keep an eye on your email address. So this is how you get approved. You just want to come here, okay, fill in all the details, okay, by coming to this page, click here to get approved, fill in your details, your name, your last name, your real email address, and your real Clickbank nickname, username that you're going to use to promote your product. Okay, and once you are approved, you're going to get all the affiliate tools and resources to promote this product, and you can earn up to $2,500 in commissions. Okay, now imagine having this type of sale. Okay, let's just stay on the safe side. Okay, imagine making this type of sale only 4 times a month, not even every day. You're driving traffic, and you made a sale once a week. That's 4 times a month. That's $10,000 a month you're making. Can you think about it? Let that digest. Okay, you're just making one sale, potentially one sale per month, one sale per week. Okay, you're driving traffic, and you got a sale. Then you kept on driving traffic, you got another sale in second week. Just 4 sales a month is $10,000 a month. Okay, now someone who can make a sale a day or every 2 days, just think how much money you can make if you do it the right way, the way it's supposed to be done. So this is the power of high ticket products. Okay, so go ahead, apply for this. I'm going to have this link in my description below this video as well. You can click and get approved for this high ticket product that's going to pay you up to $2,500 per sale.